Okay, here we have section 5.4, exercise 66, and we want a tangent line at the given point. Now this is an implicit function, so we have 1 plus natural log of xy is equal to e to the x minus y, and we'd like this tangent line at 1, 1. Okay, I take the derivative of both sides with respect to x, and I'll get a 0 there, plus 1 over xy. But then, this is kind of a nasty sort of thing, in that next I have to do the product rule with the x and y, because y is a function of x. So we get 1 times y, and then plus x times y prime. And there's that, and then that equals, well, derivative of e to the x, or e to the anything, is e to that thing, and then times the derivative of what's up there, so I'll get a 1 minus y prime, like that. Now I could solve for y prime and then substitute the 1's in, but I believe it just says it just says to find that tangent line. So for the tangent line, right, I need that my tangent line, I'll call it L of x, is equal to my y prime at 1 times x minus 1 plus 1, because that's my value of y. So really, probably I'm best off here substituting the 1 first in for x and y, and then solving for y prime. So if I do that, this equation up there becomes no 0. I won't worry about the 0, and I have 1 over 1 times 1 plus 1 times y prime, so I get y prime there, equals e to the 1 minus 1, which is just e to the 0, which is 1, times 1 minus y prime. So that simplifies into 1 plus y prime is equal to 1 minus y prime. This is interesting, it looks like. So if I did my calculations correctly, I get 2y prime is equal to 0, or y prime is 0. So our tangent line, according to that, would just be the constant 1. So it says plot this stuff and let's see. Okay, so I'm going to go to Desmos and plot that thing. I didn't do it ahead of time, probably should have, but this is 1 plus the log. So natural log of x times y, and close off that parenthesis, and that is equal to e to the x minus y. X, we'll see if it does a minus here. Nope. Okay, so we need to go back here and do parentheses x minus y, close that parenthesis, and it says, hey, plot the point 1, 1, so I can do that. 1 comma 1, and so there's our point, and certainly it does look like the line y equals 1 is the tangent line, and sure enough, there we go. And that is exercise 66.